Good day, rehabbers. It's Jameen Willis from the Willis Team LV. Back at it again with another investment property tour for you. We are in sunny Las Vegas. This zip code is 89121, kind of the central part of Las Vegas. If you are a subscriber, which I hope you are, we shot a video 2 videos ago of another investment property in the same subdivision. So this is a townhouse. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, just over 1,300 square feet. Has a 2-car garage, same color as the exterior. Like I said before in the last property that we did over here, I really like this area. These are a little bit older townhouses, really quiet community. They do have a pool, basketball courts, playground, things like that. So let's take a look. So this one, I am almost 100% sure that it was a rental property. If looks could, if smells could have a look, this would look like a pack of Marlboros. They did do some things to kind of spruce the property up. It even looks like they clean the carpets, but it smells like Joe Camel in here. So that's actually good with investment properties. Us investors kind of look for things that are wrong, things or problems to kind of drive the price down. This is just a little closet right off of the entryway here. We look for things to drive the price down, so the average person that's going to live in the property, this will be a huge turnoff, is the cigarette smoke smell in here. So you have a living room as soon as you come in. It's just like an older tan color. Just doesn't give it a lot of pop when you first walk in. Has ceramic tile in the entryway, which is really not bad. It just can be cleaned. Same gray color, not gray, but tan color. It's kind of like a peachish tan color here. Have a dining area. Ceiling fan is not too bad. Good old popcorn ceilings throughout. I actually really like the kitchen. It's not a big kitchen, but I like the layout. It just kind of flows. Have a little counter bar, but this is definitely the original countertop, like a yellowish color in here. The cabinets are painted tan at the bottom, and they are the original wood color at the top. A lot of these townhouses over here have a skylight. See that? Yeah, so a skylight there. We just want to make sure that's not leaking. It's one of the problems. Skylights are really nice, but a lot of times they leak. The appliances actually aren't in bad shape, but because of the cabinets, we probably want to put new appliances in here to match new cabinets. Kitchens and bathrooms would do this whole place wonders, so that would be the big thing there. Not sure what they were doing with that painting right there. The refrigerator goes there. And so this is the same as the last townhouse that we did over here. They have like a little terrace area right in the middle to where you can sit out. I'll show you that later. So you have these French doors right here off of the dining area, and then there's another set of doors off of the bedroom. So this is the main hallway of the townhouse here. Washer and dryer. Water heater. Doesn't look like it's in bad shape, but it doesn't have a pan at the bottom, so we just need to add a pan in there. And then you have linen closet here. So this is one of the 3 bedrooms here. Decent sized bedroom. I don't know why they put the ceiling fan, the electricity outside of the wall. They did that on the last one I was at here. Decent sized closet. So because this is like heavy smoke smell, you would just want to get rid of all of this carpet and put brand new carpet throughout. A little more shelving for linens. Actually goes back pretty far. So here you have the hall bath. This is probably the original sink here. Ceramic tile on the floor is actually in good shape. I think that you could keep the floor and just decorate around it. Shower insert is not bad at all. Really just paint and put in a new sink and new light fixtures, of course. And this bathroom actually has a skylight in it too. A little small skylight. Does help to provide more light. You don't have a whole bunch of square foot lights, windows. Natural sunlight works wonders. This is the middle bedroom here. Same deal, just that same tan throughout. Then in the back, you have the master bedroom. Now in the other one, this closet wasn't here. It was a double closet, but you have a walk-in closet here in this one. And then master bedroom here with the French doors leading out to the little terrace area. Then you have an adjoining bathroom. It's definitely the original tub, probably was even reglazed once or twice upon a time. And oh, this one has this skylight too. So it skylights in both of the bathrooms. That is probably most certainly the original sink there. The knobs give it away. Wonderful floral print. Yeah, so this would make a great home for somebody that just wants a nice little townhouse. It would make a great rental property, updated, of course. So outside, I mean, it's just like having a house, really. I mean, because you have this area here, this little corridor or area, not corridor, but a terrace area here. So this part is covered, so it blocks the sun out. You could put some nice little landscaping around here. It looks like they painted this at one time. Definitely need to do some landscaping out here. But yeah, this could be a really nice little terrace area. And then you have a 2-car attached garage. You have 2 doors back here. So you have this door right here, and then these double doors leading to the 2-car garage. So you can come in from the 2-car garage out front. This is the water softener here. If you don't know, Las Vegas has really hard water, so a lot of people have water softeners. So this is a 2-car garage. Car not included in the sale. Does have a garage door opener here. Yes, the garage is not bad at all. So you can come straight out of your car when you pull in. You can go in that door right there off of the dining room, or you can beeline it straight to the master bedroom if you want to. So yeah, I really like this feature here. This is a major selling point of these townhouses over here. A lot of times when you think condo townhouse, you don't think of a backyard or somewhere that you can have landscaping or sit outside or grill, things like that. So this is actually really nice because this part is covered. So if it's really hot, you can kind of chill out, put some tables and chairs back here, and you can have some good summer, fall nights. The other floor plan that we had the 3rd bedroom on the 2nd floor, with the little balcony, and this is just one floor, which is really nice if people have want to be all on one level. Yeah, so this is not like a gut job or anything like that. This is something that we could get in, get out really quick, that we could turn around really quick. It's really just kitchens, bathrooms, paint, carpet. Probably would have to put a couple layers of keels and run an ozone machine in here. That's a machine that gets rid of the smoke smell, and keels is a primer and stain killer, and also helps with odors. So this is a great project. Definitely see what we're gonna do on this one.